We are maniac cat hunters. We're on the hunt for a cat to steal. What would you like to chase? Oh no, she's chasing the cat, Kate. She's chasing the cat. Oh, I'm going to chase her now.
What is this? What is this?
Oh no, it's broken. Isn't it supposed to open the white bit?
I don't know, but it's padlocked.
Yeah. Oh no. It's been
Where's
broken.
Gail?
I think you ran around the thingy, Midgie. I think she ran around the thingy.
She's up there.
Oh. Where's Gail? Oh my god, Gail, we're maniac killers. Karen, you know Mrs. Oh, we're maniac killers. We need a cat. We need a cat. We need a cat. We are the maniac killers on the hunt for a cat.
Please. Huh. I can shut the trampoline.
Yeah, you need to get it out somehow. To be honest, I've never jumped on it in like ages. I use it as a football goal, but yeah. How's this going to help us get a cat, Katie? The interview. How will this help us get a cat? Oh. Have you found a cat yet? There is, I see. You know Mrs. Bees? Mrs. Bees lives up there and she's got a woods in her background. Oh. We're the maniac killers! We want a cat badly! We need to go and get a cat, Gail! We're the maniac killers, you see! We're the maniac killers! Act like you're a maniac killer. Yes! We need a cat! We need a cat! No! We need a cat!
This is gonna break. Look at the size of my feet compared to yours.
Oh my god.
Look at our thing. Move your feet.
Too big, eh?
No, look at my feet. Come on.
We need a cat, Gail! We need a cat or we're gonna die. No!
Oh my god, look how far it went into the ground. Katie! It's like never gonna come out. I think it hits the ground when we jump in it. Yeah, I think it does. It does. I don't want to break it!
I want to jump.
Look at Kate, you want to jump in? Almost, yeah, it does. It's gonna break. I'm gonna equalize
for
it.
cats. I want a cat.
Go look for a cat.
I want to look for a cat. I want a cat. Oh, can we try and get that out? Oh no.
That was a bit easy.
Can we try and like cover it up?
I don't know how we're going to cover them up.
Stick leaves in them. I'm going to bend down.
Perfect. I've fixed it.
Maybe we should put it away.
Let's just move it a little bit so it's no longer in the same holes and makes more holes.
That's just stupid.
But it just doesn't make it deep. It makes different holes. It's really slidey, like it starts sliced and all been next to it. Is this on a hill or something? Oh,
no, it's just camera.
That bit falls over.